Dear students, in the previous video we have started with the grammar topic articles. Articles are of three types. Three articles are there: a, an, and the. They are also known as determiners. The duty or the work of these articles is they modify the nouns with which they are used. They are also known as the articles as well as determiners. Now, as we all know that there are two kinds of articles, the indefinite article a and the definite article the. Okay. Then indefinite articles are used to modify non-specific or non-particular noun. Example, let's read a book. It means any book rather than a specific book. Second one, the definite article the is used to refer specific or particular noun. Example, let's read the book. It means a specific book. Now, the indefinite article a and an are used the indefinite articles a and an are used before a countable singular noun when it is singular. Okay. Now, further we shall see when we are going to use a and an, because in indefinite articles, because when we want to use articles, there are two kinds of articles are there: indefinite article and definite article. When we come to the conclusion that indefinite article we want to use there, in indefinite article there are two articles a and an. So first of all we will see when we are going to use the indefinite article a and when we are going to use the indefinite article an. So first of all we will see when we are going to use the indefinite article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant. Means a man, a book, a horse, a hero. In these examples, no doubt, indefinite article is used before a singular countable noun. Here, man, book, horse, and hero, these are the singular countable nouns. When we are using a, at that time we can notice here why we have used here a. We can notice here is that the noun has been started with the consonant. Take the example of man, m is a consonant. Take the example of book, b is the consonant. Horse, h is the consonant. Hero, h is the consonant. So, when a noun begins with a consonant, in that case we use a. And one more rule is there: before a consonant sound. Apart from it, though the words are beginning with vowels, but still the sound of those words, if it is going to be a consonant, in that case also we are using article a. Now see here, a university, a union, a uniform. Here the sound of these three words are consonant sounds. Uniform, university, union, all these sounds, especially. So due to that reason we are using here a. Now let us see when to use an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel. As we all know that there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u, and vowel sound. Example, an apple, an uncle, an ash, an ox, an office, etc. Here, if the word is going to begin with the vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u. If the noun, which is singular countable noun, and it begins with the vowels like a, an apple, a, uncle, u, ash, a, ox, o, office, o. So due to this reason we have used here an as a indefinite article here, and it is not referring to a particular apple, not not to a particular uncle, not to a particular ash, not to a particular ox or office. So due to that reason here we are using indefinite article, and an is used because these nouns start with the vowels, so because of which we have used here an. One more rule is there: if a word beginning with silent h For example, an hour, because here H remains silent, we pronounce it as an hour, an hour, an hire, an honest man, etc. In this case also we use here, though the nouns begin with H, that is consonant, but these H remains here silent, because of which we are using here